Welcome back, YouTubers and supporters. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy weekly cars and tech content. And if you want to get in contact with me, you can follow me on Instagram right here. You can also add me on Snapchat. You can email me for business inquiries like this video is about. And you can also support my Patreon if you want to be a part of my 2013 Audi A4 build. And let's get straight into this video. Even though most of my content is Audi, this video is sponsored by ECS lights. They sell a bunch of lights on Amazon for your BMW, your Infiniti, your Cadillac, your Lexus, and even Tesla. That's pretty cool. They sell Tesla lights. So be sure to click the links in the description below to buy these lights. These are about $15 on Amazon, and the first thing we're going to do is get a prying tool and pop out the light that is under the door right here. So it's a plastic piece right here. It's orange. And what we're going to do is locate a notch right here. It's kind of hard to see. There's a notch right here on this side. We're going to grab our thin side of the tool. Just pop out the light like that. Should come off. We can unclip it. And then we can install the new ones. And if you want to do all four, you can do all four. Because this is actually the 2014 BMW 328i. So you can do all four doors. Since I only have two, I will only be doing two, which is the front two doors. Once you remove the original one, you will notice that the clip actually has 4 pinholes, although 2 of them are active and the other 2 are just empty slots. The original one is on the very right, and the aftermarket ones with the BMW logos are on the left in the middle. And as you can see, the aftermarket ones has only 2 pinholes, so we're going to be using this adapter that came with an adapter extension that came with the package, and there's the other one. And now we're just gonna plug this in accordingly because the black one's negative and the red one's positive. You're gonna make sure you connect it to the right 2 pinholes in there. As you can see, it's connected properly. So when you see the projection right here, the positive is gonna be on the left side and the negative is gonna be on the right side. And on the cable right here, it's gonna look like this, where you see the open ports right here. The negative is gonna go on the right side and the positive is gonna go on the left side. And now let's plug everything back in and see how this one looks. Let's check it out. Oh, that's awesome. It's high quality, and it had like a little transition fade. Like it was really low in brightness, and then it just shot up really bright. Let's look at it the other side. That's clean. It's not even dark outside yet, and it's really bright. There you guys have it. Oh, that's clean right there. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more future videos later on with cars and tech. And don't forget to buy these off the Amazon seller. Links will be in the description. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.